How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can draw diagrams in Obsidian. So basically, just create yourself a new note, and then from here, we then want to use the backtick buttons on your keyboard. If you don't know what the backtick buttons is, just search it up on Google, and then you will be able to look at it on your keyboard. Just basically type it 3 times right here, and then you want to go ahead and do something like mermaid. Hit on enter, and then we could get started with our chart. So there's a lot of charts right here, but in my case I'm going to be using the pie chart. You could just search up other codes for other diagrams. So the first thing that we want to do is to simply type pie title users, hit on enter, and then we can now get started with our pie chart. So with the first one, let's do something like keyboard, which is going to be something like 80. And then for the other one, let's do something like mouse. And then you could just follow along with my code right here. Let's do 20. And so if I hit on the preview button, we will be able to see our chart right here. So that's how easy it is to do. Once again, you could just search up any other charts or diagrams out there. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.